Well, my friends, this is the case of sciatica, left-sided sciatica. This gentleman, age about 37 years, has come from the Shampur of Howrah district. He has been suffering from left-sided sciatica, severe agonizing pain in the left buttock and left gluteal region. কোথায় ব্যথাটা হয় দেখান? The pain begins in the buttock region. You know the buttock muscles are gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, gemellus superior, gemellus inferior, piriformis, obturator internus and obturator externus. The pain from buttock region to extends downwards, that means the posterior part of the thigh. The muscles are semi-membranosus, semi-tendinosus and biceps femoris. Now the question arises, why the pain? What is the disease? Sciatica. The term sciatica is given to common pain which occurs along the distribution of the sciatic nerve. It is most commonly due to pressure of the nerve roots. I shall show you some picture. Pressure of the nerve roots, how the pressure of the nerve roots appear. Pressure of the nerve roots appear. So this is of the one spine, this is the body, this is the spinal cord, this is the spinal process, this is the pedicles and lamina, these are the transverse process. So this body, that upper part of the body, in between the two bodies, there are discs. And the inside the disc contains, inside of the disc contains matrix, some pulp. The disc bulges and the pulp comes out. অনেক সময় বলে না জল ভরা সন্দেশ বা রস ভরা সন্দেশ, বাইরেটা শক্ত, ভিতরে কায়দা করে মেকানিকরা ময়রারা কিছু রস ঢুকিয়ে দেয়। সন্দেশ খেতে খেতে ভাঙলে দেখা যায় যে ভিতর থেকে রস মতন বেরোচ্ছে, তাই নাম হয়েছে গাল ভরা নাম রস ভরা সন্দেশ। সিমিলারলি ওই পাল্পটা বেরিয়ে আসে। কেন বেরিয়ে আসে? যখন ডিস্ক প্রোলাপস হয়, ডিস্কটা প্রোলাপস না হলে হবে না। এই ডিস্কটা বাইরে বেরিয়ে আসে, চাপে পড়ে, ভার্টিব্রাল চাপে বাইরে বেরিয়ে এসে রাপচার করে, ফেটে যায়, মোটা হয়, তাহলে পাল্পটা বেরিয়ে আসে। বেরিয়ে কি করে দেখাবো ছবিতে। সো sciatica, the main cause is due to prolapsed lumbar disc. So it is the symptom complex characterized by the acute pain in the lumbar and gluteal region and also the posterior aspect of the thigh. Shooting pain along the back of the thigh, and also it sometimes goes downwards along the muscles of the calf. Muscles of the calf, I means the muscles of the posterior part of the leg, it is known as the muscles of the calf. It consists of the muscles, tibialis posterior, flexor digitorum longus, flexor hallucis longus, peroneus tertius, gastrocnemius, soleus and plantaris. So pain also may radiate to the calf muscles, because the sciatic nerve from the level of the popliteal fossa divides into posterior tibial nerve and anterior tibial nerve. So the pain may radiate from the thigh to the calf muscles also. And there is rigidity of the lumbar spine, and there is some scoliosis, that means the curvature of the man to the lateral side of the body. So lumbar prolapse or disc in between lumbar 4 and lumbar 5 vertebra generally occurs between the lumbar 4 and lumbar vertebra or lumbar 5 and sacral 1. এইখানকার বাল্ব এটা ডিস্কটা বালজিং হয়ে যায়। তাহলে কী হয়? প্রেশার অফ দ্য স্পাইনাল কর্ড, prolapsed intervertebral disc, which is known as spondylolisthesis. Spondylolisthesis is collapse the vertebral body and gives pressure to the spinal cord. So this is the main mechanism. So the common disorder is often the result of heavy lifting of the substances. কোনো ভারী জিনিস টানলে বা তুললে বিশেষ করে হয়, প্রথম আরম্ভ হয়। Unwanted exercise such as gardening, heavy lifting, weight, and especially found in the obese patients, those who are obesity. The patient may be seized with sudden severe pain across the lower part of the back, and he can walk only with extreme discomfort and may have difficulty in extending himself. The pain may pass into the buttock, down the back of the thigh. Once again I am repeating, the pain goes down to the back of the thigh and even into the leg muscles or calf muscles due to pressure of the sciatic nerve. Now how? I am showing one picture. Now I am showing the picture. Now you have understood the pain radiates from buttock to thigh, posterior part of the thigh to calf muscles due to pressure of the nerve root. How the pressure of the nerve root occurs? This is the intervertebral disc. The mid portion of the intervertebral disc compresses some liquid substances or pulp, and this pulp goes outwards, give pressure to the nerves. This is the spinal cord, and from the spinal cord the nerves emerge out, বাইরে বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে, and this pulp gives pressure to the nerve root. This pulp giving pressure to the nerve root. এই যে নার্ভের মণ্ডটা, ইন্টারভার্টিব্রাল ডিস্কের ভিতরের যে পাল্পটা, ডিমের কুসুমের মতো যে সাবস্ট্যান্স, সেটা গিয়ে নার্ভে চাপ পড়ছে, নার্ভে চাপ দিচ্ছে। এইটা আরও বেশি করে বেরিয়ে গেছে, এই ছবিতে দেখা যাবে, এই বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে সব, এই বেরিয়ে গিয়ে এই নার্ভে চাপ দিচ্ছে, নার্ভে চাপ দিচ্ছে। এই পুরোপুরি আরও বেশি বেরিয়ে গেল, পুরো নার্ভে চাপ দিয়ে দিচ্ছে, অ্যান্ড দ্য পেইন বিগিনস ইন দ্য নার্ভ রুট। আর নার্ভ যেখান থেকে দিয়ে ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন হয়েছে, তাহলে এটা নাম্বার এ পিকচার, বিগিনিং অফ দ্য discharging of the pulp from the intervertebral disc. B, more quantity of pulp is emerging out from the intervertebral disc. And C, more pulp is going out and the pain occurs. So the symptom complex characterized by the acute pain in the lumbar region, in the gluteal region, in the posterior part of the thigh, in the calf muscles, etc. So this is the mechanism of sciatica. In homeopathy, we have enough scope because homeopathy treats the patient and there is no fixed medicine symptoms, similarities or capital. Now this patient require hot application, relief by hot application. These are for meat, constipated, sympathetic in nature, and considering the pathological symptom, sciatica, causticum is a very important medicine. So that's why I have prescribed the Hahnemann's tincture acine acris carry from 1 to 8 in 50 millimolar scale of potencies. With the advice, the medicine should be taken twice a day, morning and evening, and let's see the result. So Hahnemann's tincture acine acris carry is prescribed on considering relief by hot application, constipation, sympathetic patient, the patient cannot tolerate injustice, and there is also arthritis, and considering the sciatica itself, this medicine is prescribed. Let's see the result. I shall share you, my friends.